Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is September 12, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. All right, let's get to the chart, see what chart tells us here. Um, all right, so this is S&P 500 daily chart, and market just carved out today nicely. Another spike recaptured SMA 20, which is the bullish structure, and getting back to the bullish momentum, middle of this white range bar. There is a potential chance for new all-time high before Federal Reserve meeting. So Federal Reserve meeting is going to be next week on Wednesday, and we will have almost this week, and the weekly candle will be closed tomorrow as well. Market just getting bounced nicely as we expected, and recapture SMA 20, which is actually that one happened before. Like here in this area, the previous bounce it gets to double top, but the good thing for now, actually for bulls, is we just got back test and made lower high. So this is a bullish structure. So we got a low, we got high, we got a lower high, we got almost double top here, and another lower high here. So if we break through above a previous top, I should say September top or beginning of September or August top, then we can see a market carved out to new all-time high, 57.23 to 58.65 is coming down the road. So this is the box that I'm just looking at. So we should just be careful, and we will give market benefit of doubt, at least for this time being. Again, I would say this is very, very interesting time for the market. Market is getting into October 1st, and also last week of September, I should say, is going to be a very, very fragile, or I should say a danger zone for the market. So if we get to the top by end of next week, or at least by Federal Reserve meeting, then we can see the top is there for the market. And we can see another a choppy downside move is coming down the road, especially before election. So we will see how it goes. Stochastic momentum, we are just getting a confirmation. MACD is giving us a potential buy signal tomorrow, which already we noticed that the bounce is coming last week in MACD. As you see, these indicators are lagging, not leading. And stochastic, as we just got into important pivotal point here, getting back to the upside. And right now, I'm just looking for another overbought condition in a daily chart. So if we get to overbought condition with a range of somewhere around here. So let me just put this rectangular here, September 13 to all the way September 24th. So that's the period that I'm looking for a top for a market potentially by next week. Moving on to Nasdaq, which was leading to the upside, but the Nasdaq is kind of like as you see here, lagging compared to S&P 500. I'm not sure even if we get to new all-time high for Nasdaq. There is going to be a potential scenario, but it's going to be very less likely, I should say. Even if we get to new all-time high, it's going to be a nominal new all-time high. So potentially 21,000. That's going to be it. So right now, Nasdaq is getting to important resistance area. We are in the middle of, or I should say, the higher range of this wide range bar. This is a pivotal point, and also this is a very, very important breakthrough to the downside. So when market just hit 19,456, it's just getting back to the downside. And also, this is kind of like the trend line that we are seeing. However, as I said, this is a nice scenario. We just got a low here. Here is the higher low, and here is the higher low as well. So these things are coming together at the same time, and we just need to see a leapfrog pattern. If that leapfrog pattern initiated, then we can see potential, I should say, lower high is coming here, not a new all-time high for Nasdaq, while S&P hit a new all-time high. So that would be kind of like the perfect scenario for the market top. Moving on to Dow Jones, which was a positive today as well. So Dow just getting back to the bullish momentum. Obviously, we are breaking through this important short-term trend line here. So if you just get here, you will see that here is the trend line that I'm just talking about. So Dow is getting back above this. So this is a bullish structure for sure. We just got a close to a 4 hours chart here and 4 hours chart candle. And we are just getting to potential 4170,000 area here, somewhere around here. So that's going to be kind of like a new all-time high is coming for Dow Jones as well. So we will see how it goes. But Dow and S&P 500 can hit new all-time high, while Nasdaq cannot hit new all-time high. So we will see how it goes again. By end of next week, everything will be sorted. All right. So the rocket star for today is gold. So gold, just a breakthrough. This nice reverse head and shoulder to the upside, a nice bullish consolidation, fantastic surge to the upside, new all-time high 2558.72, and gold can hit to 2596 to 2665. So this is the area that I'm looking for gold. So if gold gets there, potential scenario is going to be we are going to see a top, and then we can see a rollover to the downside. And it's going to be very, very spicy rollover. So I'm just looking for that one. The good thing is for gold miners and silver, just following gold as well. Silver is getting back to bullish momentum. Pretty nice surge to the upside, almost 4%, 3.87% to the upside. Fantastic move, getting back to important level, which is $29 to $30. And silver needs to break through above this previous top, August top, and also this trend line here. So if it goes above 31, then it can go higher as well to potential $32. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll give silver benefit of doubt. Moving on to crude. Crude, fantastic reversal today. And this is a weekly chart. And I'm going to just specifically put a potential analysis for crude and also the other commodities this weekend, because it seems like inflation folks are coming back. And that is very, very concerning for the market. Not now, but it will be. So crude just a reversal nicely, exactly at the level that we were waiting for, 65 to $69. So crude is getting back to the 65 to 69, and just piercing through to 61 to 65 bucks as well, just one day, and then getting back to the upside. 2 days in a row, just getting back to the upside. Crude needs to close daily candle above 72. So let's say this is the area that we are waiting for. If crude is recapturing this important pivotal point around 72, then any back test could be a buying opportunity for a next challenge to 74. This is an important supply area here. If it gets above this, I should say pullback, fantastic surge to the upside, potential for top of this trend line here, which is going to be $82 to $84. So I believe that crude just hit a multi-VIX bottom here. If weekly close tomorrow, close positive somewhere around here. So we can see a reversal, a great reversal is coming for energy market as well. All right, let me just clear this up and getting back to Bitcoin, individual names. So starting with Bitcoin as usual, Bitcoin $830 to the upside. Great move for Bitcoin. Just at 58,000 is coming as well. And the next move is going to be somewhere around, let's say, 60,000, 62,000. So we'll see how it goes. Ethereum, just getting back to the upside, $8.7 to the upside. Not a bad session. Ethereum needs to recapture 2,800 to get back to the bullish momentum. Bond yield, just to get a doji bar here today, and also just a very minor positive day starting in the future market. So bond yield, doji bar, seems like the bottom is there for bond yield. Bond yield can get back to maximum 4%, I should say, for the next spike to the upside. Treasury is just forming a double top with the divergence just prior 103, 105. But I'm looking for after a potential correction to 97, getting back to the upside as well. So still Treasury can go higher. VIX at 3.50% to the downside, VIX can form the bottom here, somewhere around 14 to 16 for our next bullish momentum. Dixie just getting back to the downside as well. So Dixie is forming a double top here after this breakthrough flag limits to 101, 102, and getting back to 101.25. If Dixie gets below 100, then lower dollar is coming down the road. Magma indicator, great surge to the upside. As we were talking yesterday, this is a bull flag here and getting back to the upside. Apple, 11 cents up. After hours, it took a hit. And it's kind of like a scary when Apple is weak. Microsoft is weak. I know Microsoft is getting better these days, but ultimately, in a bigger picture, Microsoft chart is weak. Amazon obviously initiate this bull flag. This is an ABC corrective move to the upside. Potential 190 to 192, but not more than that. Meta, a nice bull flag triggered to the upside as well. Microsoft, bull flag triggered to the upside. Again, another ABC corrective move. And Microsoft can get to 432, 433, but not more than that. Google, a great reversal here, just right above this important demand area, 143, 146. So 147, that was a reversal point for for Google. Google can go higher, I believe, to this area, which is 160 to 165, not more than that. Netflix, $5.33 up, not a bad session. Tesla, just a carved out positive today, but obviously Tesla was kind of like a weak, almost the entire session. Last hour of, I should say, of trading session, it just get back to the upside, $1.68. Not a bad session overall. SMH, 50 cents up. Semiconductors are mixed today. So this is very, very important, folks. I'm going to show you SMH 50 cents up after great surge yesterday. Stocks down, 97 cents down. Taiwan Semiconductor is up. AMD is up 91 cents. NVIDIA was leader today. And just getting back to 120 area. This is very, very important level. And NVIDIA just getting close to important resistance level. Here is the gap around 120, 124. And also this is kind of like the pivotal area for NVIDIA as well. Very, very important level. Just recaptured as 120, 120, and then getting back down. So cannot manage close above it. And also after hours, it took a hit. Going down to 118.69 right now. Texas Instrument is down. Look at the Texas candle. This is a bear flag trigger to the downside. And also Lam Research is getting back to the downside after yesterday's surge. So it seems like semiconductors are mixed, and just NVIDIA leadership is getting kind of like over for next a few days potentially. XLF getting back to the upside after nice bottoming tail here. I should say this is going to be a pivot, but ultimately that's going to be ABC down. So we are at the B wave. KBE, the same pattern here, 28 cents up. KRE, 21 cents up. After hours, took a hit. JP Morgan cannot manage positive today, closed negative. JP Morgan is in trouble. And look at this trend line. If it gets below 200, I should say 191. Let me just point the chart here. If it gets below this level, which is 190.81, then JP Morgan will be into trouble, and it's getting down all the way to 160. Goldman Sachs, $2.89 up, not a bad session. Bank of America, 22 cents down today. Even after hours, it just get below again this trend line. So that's very, very important. Wells Fargo, $2.16 down. What a hammer or waterfall today. So Wells Fargo cannot manage it with the other names. It's just getting to this important supply area, hidden zone, and getting back to the downside. Very, very interesting level. GDX, gold miners, great surge to the upside, 4.87% to the upside. Fantastic move. They can go higher, higher high. GDXJ, $2.96 up. AEM, $2.76 up. Great move. Newmont, 4% up today, 2.14 cents up. Franco-Nevada, 3%. Great move for Franco-Nevada as well. Franco can go to 134, 138. That's going to be the maximum level that they have. And Gold Barrick, very nice surge. Good bull flag, getting to the upside, 21.41 and 24.20 potentially is coming for Gold Barrick. Moving on to the XLE, which I believe energy markets are bottom. And this is going to be one of the good scenario that I'm just looking at for buy. Yesterday and today confirmed that we are kind of like a bottom. Very interesting demand area here as well. So XOP is just getting very, very close to my level and getting back kind of like a positive sign, not strong candle. OH as well, not a strong candle, but reversal is happening. Exxon, great move today. Good one white soldier pattern after nice bottoming tail yesterday. And Chevron here as well. So Chevron just one touch to this area, getting back to the upside. Great move. If Chevron recaptured 150, I would say 161 is coming for Chevron after all. So we will see how it goes. All right, folks, tomorrow will be weekly candle close and also weekly edition is coming tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.